conditioned, it is very well or not.
Okay.
If
Good.
it is too wet, when you make it very tightly,
Yeah.
this effect maybe the hold maybe will disappear. Yeah.
所以他如果发现收完之后，他那个孔洞不是他想要的，你就可以拿这个工具再去调整一下，就不能用这个了，就只能用那种比较尖锐的东西。
And if you after this step you thought this the hold is not the effect you want, so you can use this tube to adjust.
Okay.
Pag nabura pala yung ano, pwede niya daw lagyan ng ano yun, no? Dagdagan ulit ng butas.
Yung una daw, di ba second coat?
Mm.
Bago pag tinrawel muna siya, dahan-dahan.
Dandahan lang.
Dahan-dahan lang muna kasi baka masyado daw, masyadong alabnaw. Na mabubrush, nawawala lang na.
Mm. Wala yung design niya.